And here's how to create an event on Facebook. To create an event for your Facebook profile, then all you have to need, after opening Facebook, in this left-hand menu, click on See More and search for events. Click on that. And now click on Create New Event. And here, to add a cover photo for your event, click on Add. And click on Upload to upload a cover photo from your computer, just like so. And here, type the event name and click on Start Date and select the event starting date and select here your event start time. If you want, you can also change your event time zone from here. And in order to add a event end date and time, click here and select your event end date and time. And now, is it in person or virtual event? Click on this drop down and select in person or virtual. And here I'm selecting Facebook Live. You can select external link or other. And now, who can see it? Here you have to select your event privacy. I'm selecting here friends only. And now in this details box, go ahead and write your event descriptions. Now to add a co-host to your event, click here. And now in this box, you can add your Facebook friends to add co-host. If you want to repeat the event, click here and click on frequency, and you can repeat the event daily, weekly, or custom date. Now all you have to need, click on create event and the event will be created. And now let's see how to create event in Facebook group. First of all, go to the group and make sure you are the owner or admin of the group. And here, once you are in the group, in this left-hand menu, you have to click on this events option. And here, click on create event. Now all you have to need, fill up these event details and click on create event to create the event. And now let's see how to create an event for Facebook page. Switch to the Facebook page. And once you are in the page, here you have to find out the event tab or click on more and click on events. And now click on create event and go ahead and fill up these events forms and your event will be created. Thanks for watching.